Earn money online per click. Yes, it's possible. You can click your buttons, click your mouse, and you can make money. So welcome. I'm going to show you how you can double your earnings. And the good thing about this method, it is worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So make sure you stay tuned and you watch this video all the way to the end. I know some of you like to skip all the way to the end so you can see the end results. But what happened is most of you skip out the most important information in the middle of the video. So don't try to skip ahead because I don't want you guys to make any mistakes, because I'm going to show you how you can even double your income and make more money, because I'm going to share with you another website. So stay tuned. So if it's your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and just different ways that I could share my knowledge with you. So as you can see, I pull up Google. Yes, you can earn money online per click. It's going to be worldwide. This is going to be some PayPal money. So if you got a PayPal account, you're in luck. And if you don't have a PayPal account, I'm going to show you how you can even make money using other methods as well. So make sure you stay all the way to the end. So this is my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I always create a new video. So every time I put out a new video, you're going to get the first strategy. You're going to get to be the first one to know. So do not miss out. And if you're not a part of the community area, make sure you stay tuned because I always post some things in the community area. So like, comment, share, because I always post some things in there and I don't necessarily have to create my video, because I know a lot of people watch my videos, but most of you haven't subscribed. So make sure you do that. So let's jump into the method. I'm going to show you how you're going to earn money online just by clicking button. Yes, you can click button and you can earn money. So stay tuned. So here we go. The website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called, rapidworkers.com. So not rapidworkers.net, but rapidworkers.com. As you can see right here, they are looking for people all over the world because they are willing to pay you money. So the services that they do is, post reviews about blogging. There's website, add you on Facebook, become a Facebook fan. Employees ask you to do all these types of things like follow you on Twitter, dig your website. So there's so many different things. And the workers, they just sign up. They browse for micro jobs. You select the job you like, you finish the task, you submit, you earn money, and then that's it. So there's a lot of people online. They're looking for people to maybe like a YouTube video, like, subscribe to their channel. Maybe they want you to just check out a particular website. Maybe they want you to just add something to the shopping cart. So they're not telling you to spend any money. So these are the little jobs that they will be doing. As I said before, they got PayPal. Of course, you can connect your bank to it. So if you got a bank account, make sure you put the information. And they also have other payment methods as well. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you another website where you can even make more money. So what are the jobs that you're going to be doing? As I told you before, that if you look on here, right, you can create a Gmail account and it's going to be 13 cents. So it's going to be a 3-minute job and you get 13 cents. Insurance form, you fill it out, you get like $1.50. So every time you're clicking, every time you're doing this, you vote for a YouTube video, you get 10 cents. Follow on Instagram. So follow me on Twitter, they're gonna pay you 12 cents to do that. Now, how long that's gonna take? All you gotta do is just sign up and you just click, right? Every time you're clicking, you're gonna get paid. So you create an account, you do online game sign up, you get 20 cents. You bookmark a page, you get 10 cents. You upload 5 photos to the site. So they will give you the pictures and they will tell you, upload these pictures and you make money. So that's like 39 cents. So these are little small jobs that you can do to make money. Now, are you gonna get super rich from this? No, but it can help. So if you do this, and I did a video yesterday, if you do Pico workers, you do this, you can make money. That's how it works. So it adds up. Most times people just on their phone, they're on Instagram, they're not doing anything, just scrolling through pictures. You can do these little side jobs and you can start accumulating money over time, right? So the next website that I'm talking about is a website that is called Micro Workers. And the good thing about Micro Workers, they have a lot of jobs But before I go into details with this one, I'm just going to head back over to Rapid Workers because I'm going to show you that this is worldwide and it's something that you can sign up for as in today. Like as soon as you finish this video, you can register for this right now. So all you got to do, you just click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, you make sure you put your name, put your email, make sure you create a password and the country that you're from. So it is worldwide. So if you scroll through here, you can find your country, and then you want to make sure that you say you're not a robot. Agree to the terms and conditions. As I always say in all my videos, make sure you read the terms and the conditions before you do anything else. So do not use VPN. Using VPN, multiple accounts, and doing other jobs from other countries, you're going to get banned, period. You see it right here. So if you try to use VPN and your account gets shut down and you can't make any money, do not blame me. Do not blame the people. Remember, I'm not a representative. I'm just doing this for educational purposes, and I'm not a part of this. I don't get paid to do this. I just like to share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you could crush it. So create your account. Once you create your account, you can start making money. So back over to Micro Workers. There's simple jobs that you can do on here. Small task, simple jobs, and you're going to get paid. You can do transcribe. There's data mining. There's content moderation. They'll probably ask you to do some little surveys, so you could do surveys. You can make money. There's categorization. There's surveys. There's content. Again, moderation. There's translation. Maybe you speak the language that you're looking for. So over here, you can make money. This too, it is worldwide. You could sign up for it and you could get paid right away. So this is some simple tasks that you can make money for. You could just click on the register button. Once you click on the register button, you put your first name, your middle name. Make sure this is your right name. All right, don't try to put any fake name, because if they're trying to pay you and for some reason they're like, okay, we can't find anybody in the system by this name. And this is worldwide as well. So you could sign up for this and you can start getting paid. So these are the two websites that I wanted to share with you today, because I know most of you watch my videos and not everybody is from the US or Canada or the UK or top tier country. I try to create videos. So let me know in the comments, comment down below where you're from, where you're watching this from, so that way I can create a new video for you. So again, if you haven't liked or subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you support the channel. Share this with someone who you think is going to benefit, because there are so many people in the world that could do this and make money, including yourself. So that's why I create these videos. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know what you think. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation of how I make money online on a consistent basis, check out the first link in the description. I'll send that over to you so you can look into it and see if this is a good fit for you. And I'm more than happy to add you to my Facebook group. And by the way, my group is free. I've got a lot of people coming in there right now, but don't come into my group. Don't spam the group. I got a group with over 70,000 people, and I have another group with just elite people that, you know, is willing to want to work with me and do business, and I can educate them, you know, into that group. So if you're willing to put forth the effort and learn this kind of stuff, hey, the new year is coming. Let's get it done. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.